Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of the scariest knives you won't believe exist. We're talking blades forged in history, used in wars and whispered about in legends. Some of these things look like they're straight out of a horror movie, and trust me, you wouldn't want to meet them in a dark alley. We're counting down the top 10, and let me tell you, picking just 10 was tough. We've got everything from ancient weapons to modern marvels of engineering, each one more terrifying than the last. Make sure to stick around till the end because you won't want to miss number 1. We're talking about knives so sharp they could split a hair, with designs so wicked they'll send chills down your spine. So buckle up, grab some popcorn, and get ready to be amazed, and maybe a little bit scared, because things are about to get sharp. Kicking off our list at number 10, we've got the karambit, a knife that's as beautiful as it is deadly. This unique blade has captured the imagination of many, not just for its lethal potential, but also for its striking design. This thing looks like it came straight out of a video game, and for good reason. Its sleek, curved design makes it a favorite among gamers and action movie directors alike. The karambit originated in Southeast Asia, and its design is inspired by a tiger's claw. This connection to nature gives it a primal, almost mystical quality that adds to its allure. Just look at that curved blade. It's not just for show, the curve is meticulously crafted to enhance its cutting power. It's not just for looks though. That curve gives the karambit some serious advantages in close combat. Martial artists have long praised its effectiveness in various fighting techniques. The shape allows for incredibly powerful slashing and hooking motions, making it a brutal weapon in the right hands. Its ergonomic design ensures a firm grip, allowing for precise and devastating strikes. And trust me, you don't want to be on the wrong end of this thing. The mere sight of it can be enough to deter an opponent. But the karambit isn't just a weapon of war. Its versatility extends beyond combat. It's also a practical tool used for everything from farming to self-defense. In rural areas, it's a common sight used for tasks like harvesting crops and cutting through tough materials. Imagine pulling this bad boy out to chop some veggies in the kitchen. Its sharp edge and unique shape make it surprisingly effective for culinary tasks. Talk about an intimidating cooking utensil. It might just make you feel like a chef in an action movie. The karambit has even become popular in modern pop culture, showing up in movies, video games, and even on the belts of tactical gear enthusiasts. Its iconic shape makes it instantly recognizable. It's a knife that commands respect, and for good reason. Its history, design, and functionality make it a standout in any collection. Whether you're a history buff, a martial artist, or just someone who appreciates a well-crafted blade, the karambit is a knife that deserves a spot on this list. Its blend of beauty and brutality is unmatched, making it a true masterpiece of weaponry. Coming in at number 9, we've got a knife that's synonymous with the fierce warriors of Nepal, the kukri. This iconic blade is not just a weapon, it's a symbol of the indomitable spirit and rich heritage of the Nepalese people. This thing is a beast, and it's got a history as rich and intimidating as its design. The kukri's origins can be traced back to ancient times, and it has evolved over centuries to become the formidable weapon we know today. The kukri has been the weapon of choice for the Gurkhas, the legendary soldiers from Nepal, for centuries. These warriors have earned a reputation for their unmatched bravery and combat skills, and the kukri has been their trusted companion through countless battles. These guys are known for their bravery and fighting prowess, and the kukri has been right there with them through it all. The bond between the Gurkhas and their kukri is almost mythical, with tales of their heroism and the blade's effectiveness becoming the stuff of legend. Just one look at this knife and you can tell it means business. The design is both functional and fearsome, with a blade that commands respect and awe. It's got that instantly recognizable curved blade, wider at the tip than the base, which gives it some serious chopping power. This unique shape allows for powerful, precise strikes, making it an incredibly effective tool in both combat and daily tasks. And don't let that inward curve fool you. This thing is designed to inflict some serious damage. The kukri's blade is crafted to maximize cutting efficiency, ensuring that each swing delivers maximum impact. The kukri is all about power and efficiency. Its design allows for a versatile range of uses from close quarters combat to practical applications in everyday life. It's a weapon designed to take down enemies quickly and decisively, and the Gurkhas have proven its effectiveness time and time again. In the heat of battle, the kukri has been a game changer, turning the tide in favor of the Gurkhas on numerous occasions. But the kukri isn't just a weapon of war. In Nepal, it's also a traditional tool used for everything from chopping wood to clearing brush. Its versatility makes it an indispensable part of daily life in the rugged terrain of Nepal. In Nepal, it's also a traditional tool used for everything from chopping wood to clearing brush. The kukri's robust design makes it perfect for a variety of tasks, showcasing its practicality beyond the battlefield. It's a symbol of strength, resilience, and the unyielding spirit of the Nepalese people. The kukri embodies the courage and tenacity of the Gurkhas, serving as a reminder of their storied past and enduring legacy. So, whether you're a history enthusiast, a knife collector, or just someone who appreciates a blade with a story to tell, the kukri is a knife that deserves your attention. Its rich history, unique design, and multifaceted uses make it a standout piece in any collection. Chapter 3. The Bowie Knife. A legend forged in steel. At number 8, we've got a knife that's as American as apple pie, though a lot more dangerous. The Bowie knife. This knife isn't just a tool, it's a piece of American history, a symbol of the rugged frontier spirit that helped shape a nation. This thing is an icon, a symbol of the American frontier, and it's got a story that's as big and bold as its blade. The Bowie knife is more than just a weapon, it's a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of the people who carried it. Named after the legendary frontiersman Jim Bowie, this knife was made famous during the Texas Revolution and quickly became a staple in the American West. Jim Bowie himself was a larger-than-life character known for his daring exploits and fierce determination. It's a big knife with a blade typically measuring between 8 and 12 inches long. The size of the blade made it a formidable weapon, capable of inflicting serious damage in the hands of a skilled user. That's right, this isn't your average pocket knife. The Bowie knife was designed to be a versatile tool, capable of handling a wide range of tasks, from cutting through thick brush to skinning game. The Bowie knife was designed for one thing, to get the job done, whatever that job might be. Its robust construction and sharp blade made it an essential tool for survival in the harsh conditions of the American frontier, whether it was fighting off bandits, hunting game, or just surviving in the harsh wilderness. The Bowie knife was the tool of choice for countless pioneers, explorers, and adventurers. Its versatility and reliability made it an indispensable part of their gear. Its distinctive clip-point blade with its concave curve near the tip makes it perfect for both thrusting and slashing. This design feature gave the Bowie knife a unique advantage in combat situations, allowing for precise and powerful strikes. And trust me, you don't want to be on the receiving end of either one. The Bowie knife's reputation as a deadly weapon was well earned, and it became a symbol of strength and resilience. Today, the Bowie knife is still a popular choice for collectors and outdoorsmen alike. Its historical significance and practical design make it a sought-after item for those who appreciate fine craftsmanship and rugged utility. It's a symbol of American ingenuity, toughness, and a time when men and women relied on their wits and their blades to survive. The Bowie knife represents a bygone era of exploration and adventure, where survival depended on skill and resourcefulness. So, if you're looking for a knife with a story to tell, a knife that's as rugged and reliable as they come, look no further than the Bowie knife. Its legacy continues to inspire new generations of adventurers and craftsmen. It's a true American legend. The Bowie knife stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of the American frontier, a symbol of courage, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of freedom. Chapter 4. The Fairbairn Sykes Fighting Knife, Silent Death from the Shadows. Sneaking in at number 7, we have a knife that's shrouded in secrecy and whispered about in hushed tones. The Fairbairn Sykes Fighting Knife. This is a weapon designed for one purpose, to eliminate enemies quickly and silently. Developed in Britain during the dark days of World War II, the Fairbairn Sykes fighting knife was the weapon of choice for the British Commandos and other Special Forces units. This knife is all about stealth and efficiency. Its slender double-edged blade is designed for penetration, making it a deadly weapon in close-quarters combat. The Fairbairn Sykes fighting knife is a knife that's as deadly as it is elegant. Its sleek design and dark history have made it a favorite among collectors and military enthusiasts alike. It's a reminder of a time when courage and skill were paramount, and when the fate of the world often rested on the sharpness of a blade. Chapter 5. The Ulu, the Arctic's all-purpose blade. Coming in at number 6 is a knife that's as unique as its origins, the Ulu. This knife hails from the icy landscapes of the Arctic and has been a vital tool for the Inuit people for centuries. The ulu might not look as intimidating as some of the other knives on this list, but don't let its appearance fool you. This knife is a master of versatility, used for everything from hunting and skinning animals to preparing food and even cutting a child's hair. The ulu's distinctive shape is what sets it apart. It has a broad, curved blade with a handle that's often perpendicular to the cutting edge. This design allows for a rocking motion when cutting, making it incredibly efficient for a wide range of tasks. The ulu is a testament to the ingenuity and adaptability of the Inuit people, who have relied on this knife for generations to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. It's a knife that's both beautiful and practical, a symbol of resilience and resourcefulness in the face of adversity. Which blade chilled you to the bone? Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Let us know in the comments which knife you found the scariest. We've journeyed from the jungles of Southeast Asia to the frozen Arctic, exploring the history and design of some of the most terrifying blades ever created. But remember, a knife is just a tool. It's the person wielding it that determines whether it's used for good or evil. So appreciate the craftsmanship, respect the history, and always handle knives with care. See you next time.